Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to Battle Damage. On today's episode, we're going to see how well this printer withstands our 3 tests. The HP DeskJet 2540 All-in-One can print, scan, and copy, but how tough is it built? We're about to find out.
There are 3 basic tests here on Battle Damage. Drop from a normal height, drop from really high, and finally, a random act of complete and utter destruction.
And we'll be capturing it all with our custom-built camera rig.
All right, let's speed all cameras. Action.
Like a bunch of broken Christmas ornaments.
Yep. Oh. So you think it still works?
I think the scanning function might be disabled.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
And action.
Well, that broke.
That looked pretty good.
That looked good to me.
The glass survived. I'm baffled that this didn't shatter.
How heavy is this Anvil?
55 lbs. Action is for you. I'm gonna be behind the glass.
For me. I love it.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Look at his face. That's why it's armored. It's okay.
Well, what's left of the printer?
It's under the cart. Here's a part. There's more. We smashed this printer for science. Now it's your job to share the video with your friends.
And what do you want to see us battle test in our next episode? We listen to your comments. Leave them down below or on social media with the hashtag BattleDamage.
Thanks for watching.